This is Kelsey from AppFire, and I'm here to introduce you to Configuration Change Management with CMJ Cloud. If you manage Jira configurations for your company, you know that change can be constant. Workflows, permission schemes, and other settings need periodic updates in order to stay relevant with changing business needs. But making those changes safely without breaking dependencies can be really tricky. That's why following a configuration change management process is essential. Every update needs to be tracked, reviewed, and applied carefully to reduce errors. And that's what CMJ Cloud is built for. It allows Jira admins to manage large-scale configuration changes without the manual work or risky deployments. Let's dive into the app and show you how it works. One of the hardest parts of managing Jira changes is understanding the impact of making a single change. You might be updating workflows, modifying permissions, or rolling out new custom fields, but how do you know exactly what impact it will have across the application? That's where CMJ's detailed change analysis screen comes in. Instead of blindly pushing a change in production, CMJ's detailed analysis gives you a clear breakdown of every change, with quick filters to jump straight to additions or modifications to your target system. This enables admins to thoroughly understand changes in sandbox environments and keep surprises in the production instance to a minimum. You can instantly see what's changing across your Jira instance, so you can make better decisions before applying anything. Even when you know what's changing, it's not always clear why it's changing or what exactly is affected. With CMJ's detailed view, you get a complete breakdown of every configuration related to a change. Click on a workflow, a permission scheme, or a custom field, and you'll see exactly what's being added, modified, or removed. Instead of guessing what's happening behind the scenes, you can see every single change in one place before you apply anything. One of the biggest headaches in Jira administration is accidentally creating duplicate configurations when making updates. Over time, this leads to cluttered applications and unnecessary complexity. With customizable configuration mapping, you can change how a source element is mapped to the target. For example, if you're deploying a configuration to the target system that is similar in function to one that already exists, but their names don't match, you can change the mapping so these become the same configuration after deployment. This keeps your Jira setup organized, consistent, and clutter-free without manually comparing every setting. Applying changes in Jira without CMJ can feel scary. Once you hit save, you have to hope everything works as expected. If something goes wrong, rolling back that change isn't easy. CMJ's draft mode allows you to review and tweak changes before finalizing them. Plus, the info button gives you a quick breakdown of what each change will do before you apply it. Instead of hoping for the best, you can see exactly what's happening before anything goes live, helping you reduce errors and last-minute changes. Some admins may prefer using a script or a change file to apply bulk changes. CMJ also offers a JSON-based bulk transformations feature. Admins who prefer a visual approach can use the UI to apply changes one by one more easily. So whether you love coding changes or prefer a point-and-click approach, you now have more flexibility to manage changes the way that works best for you. CMJ Cloud makes change management in Jira faster, safer, and more efficient. If you haven't given it a try yet, click the link below and get a free trial of CMJ for 30 days on the Atlassian Marketplace. Thanks for watching.